Oh, shoot. I did not know that. That's a cool one. I've never used that one. But, by the way, we're playing Don't Press the Button. But everybody presses the button anyway. But, oh, shoot. I love this one. This one is ease. Ease. Alright. Alright. So, seriously, alligator. Alright. So basically, you're supposed to you press the button and they give you a bunch of obbies. Yeah, no, I'm not dying. So yeah, the next round. Okay, I'm so good at this one. Hey, everybody following me, cause I'm. So don't even do that. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Alright. Dang, I finished that. So, come on, shake your body and do that conga. So, how are you guys? I haven't talked to you guys in so long. So, oh, my wee fell off. So, I love this one because I like tricking him like he's going to eat me, but he's not because I'm not going to let that happen. Yeah. So I want to get close or either inside. Should I do inside or outside? Okay, some of you guys said inside, some of you guys said outside, but I'm going inside. No, I just wait and do whatever I want. And now I never just let him eat me. Well, he already ate me and I died. So, this is what's happening. It wouldn't even let me do this round because I fell. That's not my fault. So yeah, I'll be posting more, everybody. And I know this video is so short. Like, I'm sorry, but yeah, it's too short. So I'm going to be ending this video here. Disclaimer, I will be posting more. And yeah, give me suggestions of things I should do on my next videos. And yeah. Remember, you can always friend me and just tell me. There's a picture one. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna take a picture. So yeah. No, I want to be in the front. All right. Hi. Okay. It barely even saw me. How dare y'all? Well, anyways, this is the end of the video. I will be posting more, and I'm so sorry for not posting. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Please.